Looking for the best budget dash cam to protect your car? I review the top 5 reliable, affordable options to secure your daily drive safely. Product number 1. Coolcrazy M310 4K Dash Cam Front and Rear. Choosing a reliable camera configuration ensures absolute safety on the road. This dual-lens setup captures ultra-high-definition video from both forward-facing and backward-facing perspectives. Drivers benefit from crystal-clear footage that easily exposes license plates and crucial road signs during disputes. The night vision enhancement operates beautifully under low-light conditions, preventing blurry recordings when driving after dark. Installation is straightforward, allowing you to hide wires neatly along the vehicle trim. The continuous loop recording automatically replaces old files, keeping memory space active for unexpected events. I appreciate the built-in G sensor that locks critical impact clips securely, saving them from deletion. The wide viewing angle leaves 0 blind spots, protecting your car completely. If you want an affordable package with crisp video clarity from multiple angles, this design provides the exact peace of mind you need. It remains an ideal choice for everyday commuters who want high premium video standard coverage on a reasonable budget. You get crisp, flawless surveillance images all day long without paying premium prices. Product number 2. PAPAGO G684 Channel 360 degrees Dash Cam. Comprehensive coverage defines this multi-directional monitoring device. With a configuration using 4 separate lenses, you gain a complete panoramic view around your vehicle. This option suits rideshare drivers who want to capture interior passenger activity alongside external road events simultaneously. The crisp display allows for real-time monitoring and easy menu navigation inside your cabin. Advanced sensors adjust exposure automatically, dealing with sudden bright headlights or dark tunnels effectively. Parking mode functionality provides continuous surveillance, while your car remains unattended, deterring vandals or hit-and-run incidents. I highly value how the internal hardware manages heat, preventing system failures during hot summer days. The audio recording is clear, adding helpful evidence to your video files. Investing in total situational awareness ensures you never miss a single detail during unforeseen road incidents. It guarantees massive security and full commercial road recording protection for long daily journeys. Drivers will appreciate the secure mounting options and easy software installation parameters provided right out of the box. Product number 3. AZDOME M660 360 degrees 4-channel dash cam. Maximizing interior and exterior security becomes simple with this advanced multi-lens device. The 4-channel architecture captures comprehensive visual data from every possible angle, covering your front, rear, and cabin areas perfectly. High-resolution sensors ensure that video playback remains sharp and usable for insurance claims. Integrated wireless connectivity allows you to download files straight to your smartphone via dedicated application, speeding up video sharing immensely. The compact chassis fits discreetly behind your rearview mirror, keeping your dashboard look clean and unobstructed. Intelligent parking protection monitors vibrations around the vehicle, waking up instantly to capture active threats. I love the user-friendly interface, which simplifies changing settings for any beginner driver. This hardware provides an excellent safety shield, making it a stellar investment for comprehensive vehicle security without breaking the bank. It blends performance and structural durability beautifully for every smart car owner today. It functions flawlessly under diverse conditions, guaranteeing total peace of mind for you and your family on every single drive. Product number 4. ROVE R2-4K Dual Dash Cam Front and Rear. Reliable dual lens protection is the foundation of this popular road assistant. Delivering high-resolution forward recording paired with dependable rear coverage, this unit documents every highway detail accurately. Built-in location tracking logs your exact driving coordinates and speed, adding undeniable legal evidence to your saved clips. The user interface connects seamlessly to mobile devices, enabling swift wireless video transfers and adjustments on the go. Supercapacitor technology replaces traditional batteries, offering superior temperature resistance and extended product longevity in extreme climates. The wide dynamic range system balances bright and dark zones flawlessly, maintaining visibility during challenging sunset drives. I recommend this configuration for commuters seeking straightforward operations coupled with robust performance features. It delivers excellent daily recording reliability, ensuring you stay legally protected wherever your route leads. You can travel confidently knowing every critical moment on the highway is meticulously archived with accurate timestamp spatial data. It stands out as an incredibly smart choice for anyone wanting top-tier technical utility alongside standard cost efficiency. Product number 5. 70My A110 Lite 4K Dash Cam front and rear. Advanced sensory technology makes this high-performance system stand out from standard recording hardware. Utilizing premium low-light sensors, it delivers remarkable daytime sharpness and exceptional night visibility across both front and rear channels. The driver assistance alerts provide helpful warnings regarding lane departures, assisting you in maintaining road safety during exhausting road trips. A streamlined design ensures that the unit integrates beautifully with modern interiors without blocking your natural driving view. The efficient compression technology saves high-quality video files into smaller formats, optimizing your memory card efficiency. I like the responsive interface, which allows quick manual file locking during interesting or hazardous moments. This device offers a premium visual experience, giving budget-conscious buyers top-tier specifications and dependable evidence-gathering capabilities. It perfectly satisfies your automotive safety needs while providing unmatched stability and seamless long-term video generation operations on the road. Choosing this system means investing in dependable automotive safety data that guarantees total operational protection every single mile. Buy these options to ensure absolute road safety. Their excellent price compatibility delivers massive recording value for every dollar spent.